Hi, Dyslexic Genius here, Brad Hurt. My phone number is 864-236-1680, or you can email me at dyslexicgeniushurt@gmail.com. We're back on the Victor 3, pulling the spring barrels apart, and I found out why it doesn't run well. Well, it had a broken spring right here, and here's the other part of the spring. This is all broken. This fits in here like that. I use my trusty little wooden hammer I have made to knock that apart. On all phonographs I rebuild, I take the ratchet winding gear system off. So you just knock the little pin out, this little pin out, with my trusty little punch, and you knock it out. It's very easy to do. But now we know where we are with this and why this wouldn't run. I also, before I'll soak all this stuff, I have my handy little metal tool here. And I'm going to scrape all the old grease off over a bucket I have, and that helps work the grease off quickly. On a single spring barrel, like on a Vic 1 or a Vic 2 has one spring barrel, you don't have to take the winding ratchet off. But I would get in there with a wire and I would clean all this packed in old grease. I would get rid of all of that the best you can, or just let it soak for a couple of days and work it to get it all out.
What's this card for?
This card is, I always do this card. That's my gear here, and the little U thing is a spring barrel, and it's telling me that it goes in clockwise. The other problem is this is the other barrel, and this is the barrel shaft, and the barrel shaft fits in here like that. So we know that it's going to go in counterclockwise to wind it up this way. But the problem is this nipple is in bad shape. But Victor has a hole all the way through it. And this is just like a pin. You can take a punch and put this in here, and you can punch that out a little bit. They're very short because if it goes out too far, it's going to pop out. If you see the paper here, the spring hook's right here, and my little piece of card paper barely fits in there. And it has to be as thick as the spring to hook. So you just need a little bitty tap to raise that up. Or you can come in and file it. I've done that before. This is a lot of fun. This is on a Victor 3, and that's my tip for the day.